There's one thing you can be absolutely sure of with a Viessmann gas condensing boiler: 100% output at all times. Because no matter which gas type is available for your boiler, it adapts to it automatically. The intelligent combustion controller Lambda Pro Plus, successor to the proven Lambda Pro Control, takes care of it. You can freely switch between natural gas L or natural gas H. The new combustion controller adjusts the condensing boiler automatically without you having to lift a finger. Should the supplier change the gas type or the gas quality fluctuate, the Viessmann gas condensing boiler has already made the necessary changes behind the scene. This makes manual adjustments and calibration during commissioning or a gas changeover superfluous. The self-calibrating combustion controller can also detect fluctuations in the gas quality and compensate for this automatically by adjusting the gas-air mixture. This means that combustion remains permanently stable and environmentally responsible even with fluctuating gas qualities, yet efficiency remains consistently high, as does the operational reliability. The ionization electrode of the Lambda Pro Plus provides the necessary unadulterated readings directly from the flame. However, the Lambda Pro Plus is not only smart when it comes to gas quality, it also knows the correct settings when the air pressure changes. It no longer makes any difference whether a heating system is operated at sea level or high up in the mountains. The efficiency of the Viessmann gas condensing boiler remains the same. Lambda Pro Plus balances these factors out without sacrificing performance. To do this, the actual combustion air volume is determined by the integral mass flow sensor and adjusted to provide optimum combustion conditions by altering the speed of the burner fan. Each heating system has a different layout. The differences between flues, for example, are enormous. This becomes apparent in the effect these differences have on efficiency. But not when the Lambda Pro Plus is on your side. The intelligent control unit adapts the heating system to the specific flue gas conditions, no matter what the flue looks like. Efficiency is not compromised, and there is no loss of performance. With Lambda Pro Plus, the user can always rely on 100% output. Even slight fluctuations in the power supply can lead to malfunctions, significant drops in output, or faults. When it comes to Viessmann gas condensing boilers, problems arising from power fluctuations are a thing of the past. Sags and surges are reliably detected and appropriately leveled out. A high modulation ratio is crucial to the economic viability of a gas condensing boiler. The challenge here is to ensure a stable burner operation. Regulating the burner with the Lambda Pro Plus is synonymous with reliability. Even an extreme modulation is no problem. Burner operation is stable and reliable at all times. For users, this means you can rely on domestic hot water convenience in summer as well, when there is little or no call for heating energy. And Viessmann has added another impressive safety feature. The risk of the flame being extinguished by a gust of wind is prevented by the newly developed wind detection feature. This allows the entire modulation range to be used safely at all times. The benefits soon become apparent in gas consumption and consequently in your heating bills. Safety, reliability, and efficiency. Lambda Pro Plus combines these qualities with the usual high level of heating and domestic hot water convenience. When it comes to reassurance, Viessmann gas condensing boilers now keep you in touch, or rather they keep you connected in the wireless sense. The operating status is registered continuously and all irregularities are detected. The control unit sends this information to the Vito Connect 100. This means that you are quickly and immediately informed in the event of a fault and can respond quickly, often even before customers notice the fault themselves. By the way, the Vito Connect 100 has a comprehensive security concept and is VDE tested for smart home data security. This gives you, the specialist, the perfect tool for monitoring heating systems. System users benefit from greater reassurance. You keep an eye on your customers' heating systems online at all times. Lambda Pro Plus from Viessmann. Your plus, and plenty of pluses for your customers. Viessmann.